Good morning on this rather cold, chilly Saturday morning. Still got ice everywhere. Everything is turning to ice as we wash. But first client's just turned up with his daily ridden CBF1000 in desperate need of a bit of trot TLC. This thing is hanging. This is his daily ridden commuter, so it is to be expected, I suppose. This is going to get one of our legendary full Monty valets with XCP corrosion protection. See all these nuts and bolts, they're all turning white, all starting to corrode. So we'll get all that cleaned up, get some XCP corrosion protection on it. Oh, the calipers are minging. This thing doesn't look like it has been cleaned in some time. Get that exhaust minted up. We're going to do, he's just going for the full Monty, so we're going to do a hand polish on all the bodywork once it's all minted up. I said more than anything, get some corrosion protection on it. She's looking pretty sad. I think this might be Minger of the week. Oh, we got our work cut out for us with this one. Lots of nuts and bolts that need a bit of touching up. Rusty. So let's work some magic. Okay, 3.5 hours later, Junior has done what he can with this CBF1000. What a transformation. Managed to get all the shock area, all the back of the motor, everything has been meticulously cleaned. All the calipers that were absolutely minging, all the discs or the edge of the disc, managed to get all the front of the exhaust all polished up. Everything's had a nice coating of XCP corrosion protection on it afterwards. Absolutely gleaming now. Client is over the moon. All the old chain lube's been removed, everything from underneath the tail section, all the exhausts have been minted up. Wheels, I mean, look at the calipers on it, they have come up as new. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. We got 2 trot boys working that trot magic. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963. We can even get a daily commuter looking like this. Give us a buzz.